In this research paper, Jaida Chen and colleagues have come up with the scene representation in a latent diffusion model. The problem which they are trying to solve is quite interesting. In this paper, they have investigated a basic interpretability question, which is, does an LDM create and use an internal representation of simple scene geometry? Using linear probes, they found evidence that the internal activations of the LDM encode linear representation of both 3D depth data and a salient object background distinction. These representations appear surprisingly early in the denoising process, well before a human can easily make sense of the noisy images. Intervention experiments further indicate that these representations play a casual role in image synthesis and may be used for simple high-level editing of an LDM's output. LDMs or latent diffusion models exhibit an impressive ability to produce realistic images, and that is where this paper really shines. If you are into latent diffusion models and image scenery, then I would highly suggest going through this paper. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.